Hey guys, Ludy here, and welcome back to yet another tutorial on how you guys can create your own Bukkit server plugin, which is basically a main plugin. This is episode 3, and we're doing /heal/feed. So one thing we're going to do is / commands, and we want to do a public boolean. So public boolean on command. In this bracket we want to do command sender command space cmd space comma string, and then command label space comma string, and then args string, and then args, and then we want to do a open squiggly bracket. We're then going to go ahead and import command sender and import command, not as a material, it's as a org.bukkit.command. So you want to then highlight this and add return statement. So that will then go ahead and return the statement, and we want to do / heal. For that we're going to do player p equals player space sender. That will basically import player. So let's go ahead and import player, and that will sort that out for us. So the /heal is if cmd.getName, and then in this bracket you want to do parentheses and do let's say we want to do heal, and then we're going to go ahead and do dot equals you want to do getName dot equals ignore case, and then inside of here it'll be /heal. So you don't want to do the slash, it would just be heal, and then it would go then another squiggly bracket to open it. You want to do p dot set health, so it would then be 20, and then we want to go ahead and do p dot send message, because we want to go ahead and send them a message for the person that they've just healed. They'll be healing themselves, so it would be chat color dot, let's do gold, plus you have been healed. So that's all we're going to go ahead and do. And so guys, this tutorial will not include if the player has permission, and also it will not include healing other players from a one player perspective. So if you want, I'll do a tutorial on that. It'll probably be the last tutorial anyway. So underneath this little command thing you want to do return true, and here it will be / feed. Always put spaces between the coding. So if bracket cmd.getName dot equals ignore case, and then inside here feed, and then open, and then p dot set food level, and then you want to do 20, and then p dot send message. Let's say I want to do chat color dot gold again, and then your appetite has been stated. Actually, no, not stated. We'll put your appetite has been replenished, and that's that. So that is the commands. So do save, go into plugin.yml, do a enter want to do commands, and then this is basically what the command will be. So 1 2 3 4. On the fourth one in, this is basically what it's going to be called. So it will be feed, and then it will be right underneath the D, and you want to go ahead and do description, and then basically what it does. So this will in fact we'll do heal. So heal description will then heal the player, and then the usage is just / and then command. So yeah, So if we went ahead and copied that, pasted that, and did feed, it will then feed the player, and basically the usage is basically what this would be here. So yeah, so save that, export, run, oh sorry, next, untick.project.classpath, finish, yes, you won't get any errors, minimize that, open up this little thing, hub, launch, and it will go ahead and launch our Bukkit server. Don't forget this is on 1.7.9, and I will be updating the titles of the videos according to if they do work for the latest updates. So as you can see, we've currently got no errors with loading things, it's been enabled. So if you went ahead and went in game, it says welcome back, our other plugin's still working. So if I lost some health, so slash game will do, sorry, not do, it's natural regeneration false. Oh, okay, I don't have op, so game rule natural regeneration is false. So it's been set to false now. So if I go ahead and jump off here, as you can see, I've just lost health. So if you do slash heal, you have been healed, and as you can see, my health is gone up. Now if you have like 2 rows of health and you want to heal the player fully, I am aware that slash heal is actually a command anyway, depending on what plugins you have. So if you've got like I don't know, for example, a kit PvP plugin which sets the health of the player to around 2 rows of health, you can get their max health and then set their max health, or set their health even. So as you can see, I'm losing hunger, so if I do slash, so if I did slash feed, it would go ahead and feed me. Oh, and I forgot to I forgot to in here, yeah, in the main class to return this as true as soon as it writes it. So return true, which will then, oh wow, return true. I don't think I like this keyboard. Return true. That will basically fix the little error, where it basically writes the command to the player what they actually typed in. So next, finish, yes, and you don't even need to stop your server to reload it. So, well, to reload the plugin, just do slash reload after saving it. So reload, because I don't have permission to do it in game. So slash feed, my appetite has been replenished, and as you can see, it went up. So obviously it's going to go down because natural regeneration's off, and I'm running and I'm doing things. But yeah, next tutorial, guys, will be block manipulation. So basically, if player can actually set a block, so paste down a block or delete a block, it'll be pretty easy to do. It's if the player has permission, and if they don't have permission. So the next one will basically be permissions and block manipulation, which is very simple to do, and we will be having fun. So guys, I hope you enjoyed I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please leave a rating, as it really does help me out, and I hope to see you next time. See you guys.